As someone who loves design, sharing ideas and inspiration is what gets me excited. I'm Ann Sage, I create beautiful spaces, and my color inspiration is white. Why white? It's functional and versatile. White goes with everything. It's truly timeless, transcends trends, and will never go out of style. Living with white doesn't have to be intimidating. My toddler and pets don't even hinder my bright style. With OxiClean White Revive as my must-have laundry lifesaver, all of the whites in my home still look fresh and camera ready, wash after wash. In the main living space, I used a layered and light look on the windows with sheer white panels, and the covers on the accent pillows zip off easily. I decorated Halo's nursery to be a cheerful and happy place for her with bright white in the design. There are plenty of plush toys, pillows, and blankets for her to cuddle with. One of my favorite laundry hacks is to gather up our washable white accents and soak them overnight in OxiClean White Revive. In the morning, it all gets machine washed. It works wonders on dingy whites and stains. The results are back to white every time, and without using chlorine bleach. How simple is that? There's nothing like bright white pillows. They make everything feel so fresh and clean. My home speaks for itself. It's kid-friendly, adult-approved, and all-around stylish. You really can have it all. OxiClean White Revive. Work your magic.